Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to take picture with blur background. We all know in Vivo Y11 you can easily take picture, blur the background and focus on subject. So some of you don't know how to take a picture, blur background in your Vivo Y11. So in this video, I will share with you how you can do that. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, for example, I want to take a blurb image. So I'm going to jump over my camera apps. After jump of camera apps, we know by default this camera apps are going to be launched like this. For example, I'm going to put my finger, for example, and let me try to take a picture. You can see when I take a picture, this is the normal picture. Where is everything? There is nothing is blurred appear. Now you might be looking how you can easily take a blur picture in your Vivo Y11. It's really a simple trick you need to do if you want to take anything's blur background. So for that, I'm going to open my camera apps, and then you need to click these things. You can see number 3, 1, 2, 3. This one you need to click, and after click on, you can see it appears something like this. For example, if you want to take, for example, I want to take a picture of my finger again and let the background blur. So I'm going to click the press power button again, this camera shutter button, and let me see. For example, I choke this one, okay, and let me see, is it working? Not. You can see I had now enabled blur, and you can see I had successfully take a picture with background blur. You can see how amazing and how beautiful this picture looks when I enable this background blur. You can see the second picture, and which is without blur background. It's really quite impressive with Vivo Y11. So within this way, you can easily take background blur in a Y11. So that's one now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.